Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right away. Power off the phone to protect circuitry and save battery. Next, inspect the phone edge for a small tray cutout or pinhole. This is the SIM slot. Grab an eject tool or straighten a paperclip roughly 2-3 mm in diameter and keep your hand steady. Hold the phone securely, align the tool with the hole, and apply firm, short pressure until the tray pops out slightly. This first action frees the carrier tray for removal. Once the tray is freed, slide it out slowly with your fingers. Avoid yanking, which can bend the tray. Inspect the tray shape and the small notch that indicates orientation so you know which way the SIM faces. Metal contacts on the SIM must meet the phone's gold pins. Place the SIM card into the tray recess so it sits flush. Then double-check the alignment. Make sure the cut corner matches and the card is fully seated before reinserting to avoid poor contact or damage to the reader. Carefully reinsert the tray straight into the slot until it clicks. Do not force at an angle because that can misalign pins. Power the phone back on and watch the status bar for carrier signal or SIM prompts. Once you see network bars, the process is complete. If the phone fails to detect the SIM, power off, remove the tray, inspect for dust or damaged contacts, reseat the card correctly, and retry. If issues persist, try a different SIM or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.